afternoon, my dear ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, whoever you might be, welcome back. And today I'm going to be continuing my cryptocurrency wallet reviews, and we're going to be focusing on a wallet called Coinomi today. But before we jump in, quick word from the video sponsor, Bityard, which is a new Singapore-based crypto exchange whose main focus is basically to enable simple trading for its users, even with complex contracts. And the registration process to the actual platform is very easy. It takes less than 90 seconds, and all you need to have is email or a phone number to get started with trading and using the platform. And every account that is registered to Bityard gets access to daily mining promotion, where just by logging in every day to Bityard and clicking the mine button on top, you earn free cryptocurrencies without any strings attached. Also, by registering to the Bityard platform, you get 1 USDT for free just by creating your account, and then additional 2 USDT for verifying your email and participating in their demo trading feature. And in the demo trading, you basically get free 100,000 USDT, that is play money, to basically try out the demo trading feature and kind of like understand how everything works and learning about crypto trading. And also, top of this, everybody who is registered to the platform has the ability to get their own affiliate link with Bityard from bityard.com/KOL and start earning extra from all your friends that you're inviting to the platform. To learn more about Bityard, go into the actual description below and you can find all the necessary links. And now that the sponsored video is out of the way, we can finally talk about Coinomi Wallet. And it's available right now on Android and iOS phones, also on Windows and Mac on desktop. This review will be based on the Windows desktop version, and I've also used the wallet also on my Android phone, so it's kind of based on those two experiences. And the Android version and the iOS versions are the ones that are patched out first, and basically the desktop wallets are kind of coming behind and may have less features than the actual mobile wallets. So one of the things, what I like about this wallet is that they have a feature of actually managing multiple wallets inside the interface. So basically, once you create a wallet, you can create many more, and you can like store in, many different wallets here. Whatever, you get your friends' private keys or a seed phrase, or the family, everybody can have their own. And you can also have separate passwords for each of the wallet that you will be creating on the system. Then again, at the same time, due to the way Coinomi is made, you can also add multiple currencies. I mean, I open multiple Bitcoin wallets inside the one specific wallet that you will be creating. So the usage of actually having multiple wallets may not be that useful for everybody. And Coinomi is one of the older wallets out there, and that is why there is a lot of very old school coins here, which are not really active. Let's be honest about that. What comes into my mind is Aria coin, Aurora coin, there's Cana coin, Clams is a very old project, and a lot of these actual coins are not even active. And that's kind of where Coinomi's one of the first weak points come out, on the fact that unless you're obviously operating just on Bitcoin or Ethereum, it doesn't really have a lot of these new coins that have come out like Cardano or Tezos. A lot of the coins, and there's many supported here, but most of them are coins which have been delisted from all the exchanges, have very low volume. They are like ranked 5,000 on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, basically coins that are not really desirable to acquire or get. And that kind of has been a bit of the Achilles heel. I mean, there are a lot of new ones as well, and that's why I kind of use it still. But there are so many. The focus of the development is really weird, because coins that are not really important that anymore or non-existent are still supported in the wallet. And it feels to me their development cycle is really slow. When I compare to other multi-coin wallets out there, they seem to be adding a lot more faster pace all of these new coins. Yeah, and I feel like Coinomi adds like 2 coins per year or something. That seems to be their speed. And basically, from the overview, you can also click into the actual wallet. Because there's so many coins supported here, I would really like to have an actual search for the actual currencies, because it's a bit of a drag to actually find it out. Obviously, these are on alphabet order. On the actual mobile versions, you can filter them based on your holdings, but you don't have that in the desktop wallet, which is kind of important because I don't need to see the balances on coins that I don't have. I mean, on coins that I don't own any balance on. So it's kind of useless to me have Bitcoin here on the top because, yeah, it's zero. There's no Satoshis on this wallet. And yeah, so, and also one of the things, like, for example, we have Bitcoin Cash here, but this is an old logo. There are a bunch of old logos here from many of the currencies. Ion is also using an old logo, and it just seems like they're not really putting the effort of updating these coins with their most relevant data. And that is, a bit concerning, obviously, because when you see the logos, some people think, like, what is this coin? If it's not reflecting the latest logo, I mean, that's not a really good thing. There's also an impulse exchange, which, well, first of all, is not always working as it should, as you saw. It took a bit of a time to load. And by the way, when we are talking about loading, Coinomi takes considerable amount of your CPU on your PC. This is 50% of the CPU by one mere wallet. And that is one of my biggest negatives about this system wallet, that how poorly optimized it is. And that's kind of like, I think, one of the weakest points about this wallet, and why I have been such a critic in the past and right now still, is that, it's draining so much, computer resources, and it's just not up to date with, like, the features you would expect to have, like DApp Explorer and on the speed, and there's a lot of these bugs. And these exchange process I will not be showing you today, but I can say that it was a bit problematic when I last time used it. On the settings, there's not a lot of things to do. I mean, you can change the value of the currencies into your default currency from your country, and it's supported in like 6 languages. But there's no, like, maybe I want to view the wallet in non-night mode. Maybe I want to have, filtering options here. Maybe I want to delete some of the wallets here. I mean, there is the add asset and add coin features here, but where can I delete them from the view? How can I hide a specific wallet from? Well, actually, here you can. And there's also a sweeping feature in case you have, like, Bitcoin and you haven't claimed your Bitcoin Cash. That's a nice feature to have. But there's a lot of inherent, like, features really missing out, which would, like, make me cross over and change to using Coinomi exclusively. Here you can see, like, the versions. There's no dates, but I just updated it, and I was using 1.1, and that was the version in 2019. And as you can see, throughout this time, they have added 0 coins. So Coinomi is very popular and used, but it's not actually that good of a wallet. And also the customer support for the project are extremely unprofessional. They don't know their own wallet. How does it work? And the wallet doesn't tell you when it's adding new coins even, which is kind of annoying. There's an address book service. Sending transactions is pretty good. Sometimes it's bugging out and not working as it should. And I mean by that sometimes it's like giving you, this is the fee, but then it's actually not the fee. And, there's inherent problems. So Coinomi is a good wallet for if you're looking for specific coin, which I'm holding right now. Monacoin is not really on any other multi-coin wallet. So I hold it here because it's the most convenient way to hold it right now. But if you are, wanting to store Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other top 100 coins, this is not the one you want to go with, because it just takes a lot of space, you know, from, I mean, it absorbs a lot more power from your PC. And also the opening it up, there's no extra securities. There's no 2-key authenticator. I don't think there's even ledger support for Coinomi. There are a lot of inherent features coming out, and that just tells that the developers are really lazy, because the Coinomi has been around since, I don't know, 2014 or something, and they have achieved so little in such a long time compared to all of these other wallets which have gone through massive changes. And that's why eventually people will be starting using those wallets, because Coinomi is not really updating and fixing their wallet. And there was obviously the big drama where they leaked out all of those seed phrases into Google. Basically, you can read the article. So is it that a secure wallet in the end of the day? Not really. As I said, there's no, I mean, you get to set a password for each of the wallets that you create, but there's no other ways of PIN codes or 2-key authenticators and all of these other things which secure your wallet. Those are not existing in Coinomi. So I personally do not really recommend Coinomi as a multi-coin wallet. It's a pretty bad option. Trust Wallet is probably the better mobile option, and on basically on desktop I would use Atomic Wallet or Exodus or, well, Zelcore. I think those are much better options and faster and less PC drain heavy compared to Coinomi. But that's pretty much my review on this wallet. Stay tuned for other reviews on the channel. I will see you guys on the next video.